How to use the Foodpanda Rider app. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use the Foodpanda Rider app. Download and open the Panda Rider app on your mobile phone. Select your country or region like Pakistan or search it on the search bar. You will have two options: continue as a rider or become a rider. Tap on Become a Rider. Add your phone number and tap Next. It asks you to enter your name and type your name in the given blank space. Tap on Next, then select the option मेरी उम्र 18 साल या उससे ज़्यादा है if you are 18 plus. Otherwise, select मेरी उम्र 18 साल से कम है and then tap Next. Select the city where you want to continue as a rider, like Bahawalpur. Tap Next and select your vehicle, either motorcycle or bicycle. Tap Next and then select Jama Karaye to make your rider account. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.